Hi everyone, Eliza, and here, small business and trademark attorney. So I get asked all the time if people feel like they can do things on their own, or do they really need an attorney? Or I see these conversations go on where I end up getting brought in because somebody recommends me to talk to somebody about their business. Of course, I'm a lawyer. I think you need a lawyer. I've seen so many situations where it would have been great had somebody had a lawyer to begin with. It would have saved them time and money, even though people think maybe doing something on their own saves them time and money. At the end, it doesn't. At the very, very least, I recommend having a paid consult with an attorney. If you don't want to hire them to do the whole process for you for whatever you're doing, have some direction from them. Pay for some good legal advice that's very specific to your situation. At the very least, do that. Accountants. People go to accountants a lot for things that's very valid. For example, when you form your business, you form your S Corp, your LLC, whatever the case may be, there's going to be tax ramifications that go along with that. So I, as a lawyer, can tell you how to run that LLC, for example, how to make sure you don't commingle funds, how to make sure that you always sign your name properly on any documents related to that to separate it from the person. An accountant, however, is going to tell you more about the taxes, and they're going to tell you what to do on that side of it. I don't know that side of it. I mean, I know it generally. I don't know it as well as they do because I am not an accountant. They are not a lawyer. They can help you with that side of it, but you do need a lawyer for the legal side. The other thing that people need that has come up a lot lately in conversations for me is having a good insurance agent. You need insurance for your business. Again, I'm a lawyer. I'm not an insurance agent, so I don't know what to tell you other than I can tell you where your liability holes are, but an insurance agent is going to be the one to fill those gaps and make sure that you're covered. A good agent is not just going to give you a quote and a policy just willy-nilly over the phone. They're going to want to ask you a bunch of questions. They're going to want to know exactly what your business is. And if they don't, that's a good sign that maybe you're not on the same page. Maybe they're just assuming this is, business A, where you have maybe certain things in your business that are different from the industry, and you need that liability protection. So if they don't ask you enough questions, you want to be the one to advocate for yourself and bring up scenarios and questions and make sure that they fully understand your business so that when they offer you the policy, you know that it's covering everything that you need. So don't just like hope and pray that the policy does cover you. You've got to ask these questions. So a lawyer, an accountant, and a good insurance agent, in my opinion, is what a good entrepreneur needs to make sure that they have a solid foundation for the business that they're working so hard to build.